Redrawing maps and the fight across the aisle to do so is nothing new, but the results of this case could have major impacts on next year's election, not only in the booth, but on the ballot. You've probably heard elected officials from both parties talk about state maps and if we should or shouldn't redraw them. But what does redistricting actually mean?
Redistricting is the process through which someone draws the lines of the legislative district.
Those lines determine which voters vote for what candidates in the state legislature, something that Anthony Chergosky at UW-La Crosse says is a hugely important card for politicians to play for their party.
With the redrawing of lines comes opportunity. If political parties strategically redraw the district lines in certain ways, they can add to the number of seats that they control in the legislature.
Wisconsin's current maps are Republican-made, prompting the state's Democrats to file a lawsuit to the state Supreme Court in an effort to change them.
With the current maps, the Republicans are pretty darn close to being able to achieve those veto-proof two-thirds majorities in both the state Senate and state assembly.
With new maps, the chance at a veto-proof Republican supermajority in 2024 likely goes out the window. While there are plenty of buzzwords surrounding state maps, like partisan gerrymandering or unfair lines, the case on the Supreme Court's docket this week is partially based on a word you probably haven't heard: contiguity, or the idea that voting districts should all be within the same boundaries. In other words,
does every part of a district need to be touching?
Determining if the current maps are contiguous is an issue that's been around even before Republicans drew the most recent maps. As it stands now, 55 of Wisconsin's 99 state assembly districts and 21 of the 33 state Senate districts have islands, essentially chunks of the district outside the borders of the rest of it.
This would be a wild election if the maps were thrown out and new maps were put into place in time for the November 2024 elections.
Democrats want that to happen by March of next year, and those freshly drawn districts also would mean that every representative would be back on the ballot in November. Charles.